I'm Dimitri and I'm the category manager for Koala. Been working on the sofa for the last 8 months. Yeah! This is us not just selling mattresses, which everyone knows us for, we're actually selling furniture. More importantly, we've got a sofa that assembles in 4 minutes and disassembles in 4 minutes. And so that's what we're really doing here, demonstrating that this sofa can do it again and again. Come apart, go back together, come apart, go back together.
That'll do. Yeah, that's it. Cushions, cushions, cushions.
A game show place, mate.
It's amazing how we have actually been able to set it up in different locations and break it down in the limited time we have, in the spaces we have. On a train, on a boat, I don't know, how else can you do it?